Understand the artificial neurons, it is important to look at the real inspiration behind them, biological neurons. A biological neuron is a special type of cell found in our brain and nervous system, and its main job is to receive information, process it, and pass it forward. In many ways, it is neuron's own computing unit. Each neuron has three key parts. First, the dendrites. These act like tiny antennas that receive signals from other neurons. You can think of them as the input channels. Next, we have the cell body, also called soma. It is where the information is combined and processed. The neuron decides whether the incoming signals are strong enough to trigger a response. Finally, if the signal is strong enough, the neuron sends the electrical impulse through the axon, while is like a long cable. The axon carries the message to the other neurons, muscles, or glands. At the end of axon are the synapses, small gaps where chemical messages called neurotransmitter transmit signals to the next neuron. What makes biological neurons incredible in their scale and speed? Our brain contains nearly 86 billion neurons, and each neuron may connect to thousands of others. This dense network allows us to recognize faces, learn languages, make decisions, and form memories, all through patterns of electrical activities following across the neuron. Artificial neural networks try to mimic this simplified behavior, receiving inputs, performing a small computation, and passing the output forward. But biological neurons are far more complex. They change connection over time, strengthen pathways when we learn, and even reroute signals when the brain is damaged. So biological neurons are fundamentally building blocks of intelligence in nature, and they inspire the entire field of deep learning.